The Internet of Things, known as IoT, is a big influencer in our new ways of living, from the way we communicate to how we make purchases. By using embedded sensors, actuators, and chips in the physical world that surrounds us to connect devices digitally, the Internet of Things allows us to transmit and gather valuable data and information that lets us better understand how society works and makes our work easier and better. The Internet of Things is part of our present and future, and therefore it is important for us to be prepared, starting in our classrooms with our students. New career opportunities are opening up, which together with the increasing demand of industry for IoT require new skills and knowledge.
Innovate, create, transform. Take your first steps in building internet-connected objects. Explore the Internet of Things with Arduino Education and the Arduino Explore IoT Kit. Get yours now!